Hi friends. Welcome back to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In these tutorials, we are learning the basic concepts of HTML. Let us refresh the last session on list tags in HTML. In the previous video, we had learned what is listing, their types, and how to use ordered listing. In today's session, we will understand and learn the practical use of unordered list, its nested form, and definition list. So what is unordered list? An unordered list is a collection of related items that has no specific order or sequence. Let us see the tags used. For this, open Notepad++. Here again, I have already typed the structure of HTML5. The tag used for unordered listing is UL tag, written inside the angle brackets. This is a container tag. The method of writing this tag is similar to ordered listing. Here, the difference is, we have just replaced the OL tag with UL. To mention the data inside this tag, we use list item tag, given as LI. This is also a container tag. Save the page with .html extension and check the output on the browser. Now here, if you want to change the bullet style, then use the attribute type. Unordered list have three values for type. They are disk, which is the default style, square, and circle. After unordered list, we have nested unordered list. Here again, like ordered list, we mention multiple UL tag inside the first. This is also said to be multi-level listing. Let us see this example. Here we have categorized the courses that we teach, and under Module 3, I want to mention some of the subjects that are included. This is how we write it. We will also set the type, different for different level. So on the browser you see the multi-level list. Next, we will understand what is definition list. The definition list defines a description list. It is an ideal way to present a glossary, list of terms, etc. Definition list consists of three different tags. The L tag stands for definition list, which marks the start of the list. Next is, the T tag, stands for definition term, which specifies the heading for each group of data. And last is, DD tag, stands for data definition, which allows you to type the content for the given heading. Here, I have mentioned the title as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and have mentioned the data for each. This is how the output for definition list looks. With this, we will end this session, and meet again next time. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.